So let us start the session. We are going to start the assertion and reasoning based questions on chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. So let us start with the introduction. Uh, in assertion and reasoning type of question, this direction is given common. This direction is given for all questions. सभी क्वेश्चन में ये चारों बिट्स नहीं रहेंगे, राइट? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3, फॉर एग्जांपल 4 क्वेश्चन है, तो चारों क्वेश्चन के लिए असर्शन रीजनिंग स्टेटमेंट्स रहेंगे और ये कॉमन कॉमन दिया रहेगा चारों ऑप्शंस. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस, right? So if both assertion and reason are correct, then you have to check whether reason explains assertion or not. अगर explain कर रहा है तो option A, नहीं कर रहा है तो option B. अगर दोनों में से कोई एक भी गलत है तो accordingly you have to select C and D. So let us start with the first question. The linear equations x minus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equals to 0 have exactly one solution. The reason is given. The linear equations 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equals to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equals to 0 have a unique solution. So let us start with the first assertion. The two equations are given this one. Okay, what is the value of a1 here? A1 1, A2. Okay, fine. A1, B1, C1 बताओ. A1, B1, C1. A1 is 1, A2 minus 2, A3 minus 3. Sorry, A1 is 1, B1 is minus 2, C1 is minus 3, and A2 is 3, B2 4, and C2 is minus 20, right? So हम लोग को केवल एग्जैक्टली वन सॉल्यूशन है कि नहीं चेक करना है, तो इसलिए मैं केवल A1, B1, A2, B2 ले रहा हूँ. नाउ वी विल फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ दिस टू. So this is 1 by minus 2 and this ratio is 3 by 4, right? So that means these two ratios are not equal. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
And we know that the condition for unique solution is A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. That means assertion is correct, right? Now we have to check for reason. रीजन में जो लीनियर इक्वेशंस दिए हैं वो 2x प्लस 3y माइनस 9 इक्वल्स टू 0 है, 4x प्लस 6y माइनस 18 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 है. So a1 is 2, b1 is 3 and c1 is minus 9, a2 is 4, b2 is plus 6 and c2 is minus 18. Now we are going to check the ratio. So what is the ratio of a1 upon a2? It's 2 by 3.
Yes.
एक मिनट, ये 4 है, a2 is 4, a2 is 4 and b2 is 6, right? एक छोटा सा मिस्टेक हो गया. So 2 by 4, a1 upon a2 is 2 by 4, so 2 by 4 means 1 by 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
next
sir.
one, b1 by b2, 3 by 6, this is also 1 by 2.
Yes.
And the last ratio c1 by c2, this is also 1 by 2. That means all the three
By
ratios
2.
are equal. All the three ratios are equal. Okay? ये 4 था और ये 6 था, right? So अगर सभी ratios equal रहेंगे तो solutions क्या होंगे?
Infinitely many solutions.
Very good.
Infinitely many
So the pair of
solutions.
linear equations have infinitely many solutions. That means reason is not correct. So which option was correct? C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Right? So now we will move toward the second question. If the pair of lines are coincident, then we say that the pair of lines is consistent and it has a unique solution. Second, reason. If the pair of lines are parallel, then the pair has no solution and is called inconsistent pair of equations. So let us start with the coincident. Actually, if the pair of lines are coincident, then it has not unique solution. It has how many solution?
Infinitely many solutions.
Very good. It has infinitely many solutions. So assertion is wrong. Okay, assertion is wrong. एक मिनट, Assertion is wrong, right? Now the next one, if the pair of lines are parallel, then the pair has no solution, right? So we know that if the lines are parallel, then it has no solution. So that means reason is true. Okay, assertion is false, but reason is true. So which option is correct?
Option
Option
D.
D.
Right, option D, right. So now we are moving toward the third question. The graph of the linear equation 3x plus 2y is equals to 12 and 5x minus 2y is equals to 4 gives a pair of intersecting lines, and reason is given. The graph of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 gives a pair of intersecting lines if, right? So intersecting lines हम लोग को कब मिलता है? When the solution has unique, okay, only one solution, right? So first we will start with whether reason is correct or not.
Yes, sir.
Right, reason is correct. Why? Because we know that the system of linear equations, these two equations, has a unique solution if a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, and it gives a pair of intersecting lines. So reason is correct. Now we have to check for assertion. So assertion में हम लोग क्या करेंगे? रेशियो चेक करेंगे. So let us start with a1 3, b1 2, और इसको यहाँ शिफ्ट करके c1 लिखेंगे -12. a2 is 5, b2 is -2. Here also we will shift 4 to this side and will write c2, that is -4. So क्योंकि हम लोग इंटरसेक्टिंग के लिए चेक कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम लोग c1 c2 नहीं लिखेंगे, right? Now we are going to find the ratio. So first ratio is a1 by a2. What is the ratio?
3 by 5.
3 by 5. And b1 by b2?
By minus
Minus
2
1.
by -2, that is -1. So both are not equal. Both are not equal, that means the pair of linear equation has unique solution and it gives a pair of intersecting lines. So assertion is also correct based on reason given. इसका मतलब दोनों रीजन भी assertion का explanation है. So which option was correct? The first one. Okay.
and A.
Right, very good. The correct option is A. Both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Okay, so now we are moving towards the fourth question. The graphical representation of the equation x plus 2y is equals to 3, 2x plus 4y plus 7 is equals to 0 gives a pair of coincident lines, right? And the reason is given. The graph of the linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 gives a pair of coincident lines if a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. So reason is correct? Reason is correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, the reason is correct because we know that the system of linear equation has infinitely many solutions if these all ratios are equal, and it gives a coincident lines. Now we have to check for the assertion whether it is true or not. अब यहाँ पे coincident line के लिए हम लोग को तीनों रेशियो चेक करना पड़ेगा. So the value of a1 is 1, a2 is +2, and c1 is -3, and a2 is 2, b2 is +4, and c2 is 7, right? So now we have to check the ratio. So let us start with a1 by a2. So what we are getting?
1 by 2.
1 by 2, right? b1 by b2?
1 by 2.
Right. Now the last ratio c1 by c2?
-3 by 7.
Yes, 3 by 7.
Yes, -3 by 7. That means a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2. So the pair of linear equation has no solution and it will give a pair of parallel lines. So assertion is not correct, and the correct option is D, the last one. Assertion is false but reason is true. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards question number 5. The value of k for which the system of equations 3x plus ky is equals to 0 and 2x minus y is equals to 0 has a unique solution is k is not equals to -3 by 2. And the reason is given. The system of linear equation a1 x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 has a unique solution if a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. So reason is correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Now we have to check by using this reason whether we are getting k is not equals to minus 3 by 2 or not. So reason is correct. Fine. Now a1 a2 b1 b2 हम लोग यहाँ से निकालेंगे. a1 is 3, b1 is k, a2 is 2 and the b2 is minus 1. So what is a1 upon a2?
3 by
3 by 2 and b1 upon b2?
3
k
by
by
minus
minus 1, right? That is to k by minus 1 मिल रहा है ना, ठीक है? So the ratio a1 upon a2 is 3 by 2 and b1 upon b2 is k by minus 1, right? And we know that a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. So थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे कर लेते हैं. 3 by 2 is not equals to k by minus 1. So that means k is not equals to 3 by minus minus 3 by 2. So assertion is also correct based on reason given. So which option was correct?
A.
Right, the first one. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Right. So now we are going to start sixth question. The value of k for which the system of linear equations 3x minus 4y is equals to 7 and 6x minus 8y is equals to k have infinitely number of solution is 14. The reason is given that the system of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 have infinitely many solutions if a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. So this is wrong because the condition is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. So the reason is given wrong. It is not correct. And now we have to check for assertion. For assertion, a1 is equals to 3, b1 is equals to minus 4 and c1 is equals to minus 7. यहाँ इसको यहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे. And a2 is 6, b2 is minus 8 and c2 is minus k. Right? Okay. Now a1 upon a2. What you are getting? a1 upon a2?
1 by
3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. And b1 upon b2? Minus 4 upon minus 8. So that is also 1 by 2. And c1 is minus 7 by c2 is minus 7 upon minus k. So that is 7 by k. So now we have to equate these two. So minus 7 by minus k is equals to 1 by 2. So ध्यान से देखो मैं यहीं पे इक्वेट कर रहा हूँ. So यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे? माइनस माइनस कैंसिल करके क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So what we are getting k is equals to 14. Right. So that means assertion is correct. So our correct option is C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 7. The number of common solutions for the system of linear equation 5x plus 4y plus 6 is equals to 0 and 10x plus 8y is equals to 12 is 0. Number of common solution is 0 means it has no solution. Okay. And the system of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 has a unique solution if a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. So the reason is correct. The reason is correct. Now we have to check for the assertion. So assertion में a1 5 है, b1 4 है, c1 6 है and a2 is 10, b2 is 8 and c2 यहाँ shift करेंगे minus 12. Okay, right. So now we'll check for a1 by a2. 5 by 10, so it will become 1 by 2. b1 by b2. So this is also 4 by 8, 1 by 2. And the last one c1 by c2. 6 by minus 12. So it will become 1 upon minus 2. So what we are observing that a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2. So the pair of linear equation has no solution. Hence the assertion is correct. क्योंकि कोई भी common solution नहीं बोल रहा है. Right? So reason is also correct. Assertion is also correct. But whether reason explains assertion?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. So option B was the correct answer. Okay. Reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So option B, that is both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So this is question number 7. Now we are moving toward question number 8. A pair of linear equations has no solution if it is represented by intersecting lines graphically. And the reason is, if the pair of lines are intersecting, then the pair has unique solution and is called consistent pair of equations. Right. So यहाँ पे assertion के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पे अगर no solution होगा तो lines parallel होगा, that we know, right? If the lines are parallel, then it has no solution, but it is given intersecting lines. So assertion true or false?
False.
False, right. And for reason, uh, if we know that the lines are intersecting, then it has unique solution, and it is already given. So reason is correct. So the option D was, we have to select that assertion is false, but reason is true. So this is question number 8. Now we are moving towards question number 9. The value of Q is plus minus 2 if x is equals to 3, y is equals to 1 is the solution of the line 2x plus y minus q square minus 3 is equals to 0. And the reason it is given the solution of the line will satisfy the equation of the line. That is correct. ठीक है, reason correct है. And this reason only we have to use for this solution. So now we have to check whether assertion is correct or not. Reason is correct and it is useful for assertion. So now as x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1 is the solution of the line, so it will satisfy the equation. Right. So now we are going to substitute x is equals to 3 here, y is equals to 1. So after substituting, we'll get this one. See, 6 plus 1, 7, minus 3, 4. So 4 minus q square is equals to 0. So that means q square is equals to 4 milega. So q square is equals to 4 means what is the value of q?
Plus minus 2.
Very good, plus minus 2. That means assertion is also correct. So both assertion and reason are correct, and reason explains assertion. So therefore the correct option is A1.
A.
Right, very good. Both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Now we are moving toward the next question. The value of k, for which the system of linear equations kx minus y is equals to 2 and 6x minus 2y is equals to 3 has a unique solution is 3. Right? So this is the last question of this chapter. And the reason is given, the system of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 has a unique solution if a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. So reason is correct?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
reason is correct. Now we have to check for assertion. So what is the value of a1? K. And b1?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay. C1, the value of C1 is minus 2. Right.
Minus
Very good.
2.
Very good. And A2 is 6. B2 is minus 2. And C2 is minus 3. Right. Right. So now A1 upon A2 is K upon 6. And B1 upon B2 is minus 1 upon minus 2. That will become 1 by 2. C1, C2 we don't require for here, क्योंकि unique solution में केवल A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2 होता है. Right. So K by 6 is not equals to 1 by 2. K by 6 is not equals to 1 by 2. So 6 को यहाँ shift करेंगे तो K is not equals to 3 हो जाएगा. That means assertion is
False.
false. Right. So which option is was the correct answer? The D one. Correct option is D, that is assertion is false but reason is true. Any doubt in this type of questions?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is the last question. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.